Hello my angels, my dears, I'm Angel. Welcome to my channel and to another video. Now as you all know, the holidays are coming up, the Christmas holiday, and I know a lot of you looking for recipes to use to prepare for your family as they gather for the holiday. The next few videos for my channel will be videos of entrees, desserts for the holidays. I hope these videos will help you prepare for your holiday celebration. Go through them, choose the ones that you like or you think your family will like. I'm sure you'll be able to find some dishes, some sides, some entrees that you'll be able to use for your holiday meal. Well, enjoy your holiday, everyone. Be a blessing to people, and Merry Christmas. And I'll see you next time. Bye.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you. Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.
That's what Christmas is all about. Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase.
Hey, you stayed to the very end. Thank you so much. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a like. That's going to be a thumbs up. Share, comment down below if you'd like to give me some advice or if you have any comments. And as always, my angels, many blessings and much favor until we meet again. Please try to be the blessing to someone, and I will see you next time.